live Rob here. Here we go. My cardinal family is here. That's the male. The female was up on the branch to the right. Well, to the right of where we're looking. I don't know if she flew. And you got a dove over there eating behind my stump feeder. You got the cardinal right there. His wife is on the other side. And then I see Pepe's coming. Hole? See that cardinal? Behind me in my little, I'm not that close, so I'm hiding my little, there we go. See, it flew over here. That's where they're hanging out. I call it Mama and Papa, she's over there. There's quite a few of them, it looks like. Well, I've never seen, looks like there's quite a few females over there. And one male. Oh no, there's another male. Unless that's him. I think Pepe's getting ready to come down. I'll give you a part 2.